Hi everyone. Today's session is dedicated to our exciting new feature, InsertAR. First of all, it is important to tell you that we've designed this feature for a live broadcast football environment in a combination with wTVision software, AR3 Football, and our render engine, R3 Space Engine. You can check the AR3 Football demo on our YouTube channel or on our official website to learn more about this product. If you have any questions during this presentation, just leave them in the comment section and our developers will happily answer them. Let's get started with the InsertAR and why we feel this is a useful tool for directors, production teams, and operators. This is a tool developed after years of experience of our own operation teams, and we've designed it to make their work a bit easier. With me, I have Pedro Miguel, our Vision Tech lead, that will make the presentation and inform you and explain you how this solution works. Pedro, go ahead.
Hi everyone. InsertAR is an automated system to insert augmented reality graphics in an on-air camera signal without any intervention by an operator. It's as simple as that. InsertAR adds an automatic control layer completely free of additional sensing hardware, relying only on image processing technology. It is capable of analyzing the director's feed against the master camera feed. When both are a match, the system switches to the injection feed and broadcasts the master camera with AR graphics. Let me show you how this is done. As you can see on this diagram, InsertAR relies on two signals to make its magic. The first signal, which we call detection, will be your master camera feed. The other signal, called mixed, will be the program feed and contains the normal video signal that will show on your TV at home. Multiple cameras, ad breaks, reactions from the benches or the crowd, etc. InsertAR is actively comparing both signals in real time in order to find when they are the same. In other words, when the program feed is showing the master camera. Every time this happens, InsertAR will replace the clean signal from the detection feed with an exact copy of it, but with any AR graphics that you might want to show. It's almost like magic. This AR graphics source is what we call the injection feed, because, as the name implies, will be injected whenever it is needed. As you can see, the base principle of InsertAR is pretty simple. Now, let's see it in action. So, here we have a realistic view on how you would see InsertAR once we are on air. 3 video inputs on the top, 1 output on the bottom. If you remember our explanation from just now, you will find that all concepts match one-to-one to what we showed you on our diagram, and what you see right now on the application. We have a mixed source, the program clean, on the middle, that we are trying to actively match with our detection source, the master camera, on the left. Every time this happens, the AR feed will be injected and shown on the output instead. You can see this very clearly in InsertAR, thanks to its streamlined and easy-to-use interface. When in doubt, just follow the blue line. This injection feed is being produced by our very own AR3 Football to track the football field, and by R3 Space Engine to draw the 3D graphics you see on screen. And for 99% of the productions, this will be it. There's no need to press a button, there's no need to change any configurations. It will just work. Just sit back and relax. But you might ask, what if the TV director doesn't like what he sees? What if we need to override the automatic operation of InsertAR? Well, glad you asked, because it's actually pretty simple. Let's imagine that, for some reason, the TV director doesn't want to show AR graphics just now. They could be still fine-tuning them, or the wrong graphics might be on air. Do you notice the big on air button? Well, just click it. This will effectively stop InsertAR from injecting the AR graphics source. And from now on, InsertAR is working as a pass-through for the mixed source. When everything is okay, and the TV director decides to show AR graphics again, just enable the on-air button, and InsertAR will start doing what it does best. Now, there's a second path through, that is the ability to send the detection source to the output, To do that, you only need to press the force button on the top of the screen. And once you do that, well, now the detection source is being output as a second pass-through. But you would only use this if, for instance, the mixed feed was lost. So, as you can see, InsertAR provides override options for every use case imaginable. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or doubts about InsertAR, just contact us through our website or write us in the comment section where you are seeing this video. And joining us once again is António Paiva with a couple of questions of his own. Thank you.
Hi, Pedro again. Well, first of all, good presentation. While I was watching your presentation, some questions came up that I believe all of our audience probably are thinking of asking these same questions. So, first of all, why did you decide to add this feature to our AR workflow?
Okay, great question. Thank you, Antonio. So, actually, the answer is pretty simple. InsertAR was born as a solution of a piece of software that could be used on top of existing football broadcast productions. There are many productions all over the world that do not have AR graphics on them. And if wTVision wanted to enter those markets and enter those leagues, we'd have to come with a pretty complex solution of hardware, software, operators to be able to join the two pieces together and make it work seamlessly. But as this would be a very hard and big task to make every time we needed to do it, then InsertAR was born to try to solve this. So InsertAR is a layer that you can put on top of any football broadcasts in the world. And what it does, basically, it's allows us to use the already existing signals from each and every one of these productions and easily insert AR graphics in one of those signals. So it's a matter of simplifying life for everyone, of have better costs for the client, of the need to not hire more people, of the need to not need any additional hardware and software.
Okay, thank you. Good explanation. So I was now wondering, I mean, I can have my own graphic engine because maybe I don't have R3 Space Engine, and I need to know if can I integrate this solution InsertAR with another software or with another graphic engine?
Well, absolutely. So as you saw in our presentation or in our little demo, we are using 100% our in-house software developed by us. So the demo was done with AR3 Football that was responsible for doing the tracking of the football pitch, and we also have R3 Space Engine that is the rendering engine responsible for drawing of the AR graphics. Any of these two components, or even both of them at the same time, can be replaced by you if you want. As long as you have a viable solution for each one of them, you can replace them and use whatever software you might want, even if it's from a competitor or even if it's your own.
Okay, cool. That's good to know. So one of the questions that come up a lot is the number of operators that you need to produce this type of operation. So you have a new software, you have a new product. So my question is, do I need to add more operators in order to work with InsertAR, or can I adjust my operation team to work with these solutions, maintaining the same number of operators? Because I don't want to expend more money, having more costs with extra operators. Can I maintain the same team, or do I need more operators?
Well, exactly. As you saw, most of InsertAR works automated. So there's no need to have a dedicated person to be able to operate it, because 99% of the use cases will be, 100% automated by the software. So it's totally up to you, obviously, but you can, of course, use one of your already operators and to share work between another software and this one.
Okay, cool. So it's software works automatically, but one operator can divide his operation in controlling when needed, if you want to use it or control it manually.
Well, exactly. Well,
but the same guy can do it.
Yeah, 90% of the cases, the TV director will not want to show anything, but if for some reason one of the signals goes down and there's a need to override the automated way of working of InsertAR, you only need one person to go to the application and press one button.
So more benefits, but the same team, the same operator. So
exactly.
Yeah, okay,
exactly.
Cool, that's perfect. So another thing is that one of the main concerns of the final result is this solution is receiving 3 feeds, and the synchronize of these three feeds, how can you guarantee that it happens? I mean, how can you guarantee that the 3 feeds will be perfectly synchronized?
Okay, so as I explained, or tried to explain several times during the demo, it really works almost like magic. So right now we don't have any hardware sensing, so everything we have right now it's 100% software. And what we are doing in that case, at least we do it once on the start of the application, we will check each and every one of the 3 feeds and try to find the frames that will be the same ones across all of 3. Well, now you have to think that at least the third feed, that is the AR feed, might have something drawn on top of it. But it's just a matter of going to the application and select a smaller region of interest that doesn't have any graphics, and then we'll only compare that region of interest across all the feeds. And then as long as you have a maximum delay of 1 second, it will work and it will find the perfect balance of synchronization, so all the 3 feeds will be synchronized from the start until the end of the football broadcast.
Okay, cool. I think that we've covered all the main questions and doubts that come up in this type of software and solution. So also if anyone needs to know more information, can ask us directly.
Exactly.
But I think that the frequently asked questions are covered. So good job. It's a good solution. It's a good product. And we'll continue to work on the better solutions to the broadcasts productions.
Exactly. That's our job, our main goal.
Thanks, Pedro.
Thank you, Antonio.
Okay.
And thank you.